most cars, you can't fit a train horn. Here's how you can do it. The Wolo Orient Express train horn kit that comes with a built-in direct drive compressor is a good kit, but the direct drive compressor does not give enough airflow to make it really loud. The advantage of the kit is that that horn setup is very efficient and doesn't need much volume of air. So when you put an onboard compressor like this Viar, it provides incredibly loud horn with a tiny tank system. So thus you can put this setup in most cars, unlike traditional train horns that need half-inch tubing and massive air. Wolo Orient Express train horns under the fender well. Small air tank under the body of the car. If you tap it, it just sounds like a loud horn. Now, other than tapping, if you leave it down, it's super loud. Here's the tap. Here it is, all the way.